1. All right. We've got Big Banana grabbing a ton of green cubes. And Emu Empire, they've got one in their system. Let's see if they can score it into one of the goals. And Emu Empire gets a cube up to the goal. As we get down to 35 seconds, you may now switch reds. Big Banana pushing all of those reds off of the posts for 5 points each. Big Banana has a ton of purple cubes up in their list. Emu Empire trying to get some more greens. Big Banana scoring a ton of purples into that goal, and they'll get that uniform goal bonus. As we get to the last 10 seconds, we see if any teams try to make a park at the end. The Emu Empire looks like they're going for a park. They managed to get it.
Can you turn it off?
All right, back to the spirit.